Kore peaku mikimbartungulupo kekumok nkolong'i oleng tekwe apa natarashom eshomo notumushom enkolong nomuta neishunye abaki nkare pata yiok ng'ojitin apa natii nkare mokure eatae. Kajoki kera supat oleng tenakop pikimbar tentim nikimbar telkeek pata modung'i pukutum atum nchan tesaa supat. Kore paa keatae nchan keatae nkare eatae ndaa esuom.
Amu kore piiwuon tenkoitei duake aikata nieng'eng'a negil kiloi oye ketii ntoki neim ene tenkop neurito anyoo matapong'o ene nikiwuang' taa teine ama aikata ng'esi neim aji ine oitei nikiwuang'. Nena tokitin abaki yiok sukuul ang'.
Our communities, they have the knowledge, they have the ways of taking care of the land. There was a lot of solutions that were coming from outside and being imposed. So we started NaPO as a way to start listening to this expertise, this knowledge, recognizing it. We were called in to facilitate a meeting with our community, basically talking about land governance, how people and wildlife can actually thrive together. And then the people who actually showed us where to put the camera traps were the pastoralist herders. And where we actually placed all those camera traps, they actually captured wildlife movement but also livestock moving on the same path. The Equator Conservation Network is a program to actually bring in the people who've been most excluded from conservation. In reality, the Equator has already known how to navigate both wildlife but also human dynamics. So under Ramat we also kind of do a bit of painting to signify this has been protected, and the biggest trees now are those ones that have been painted.
Kordo tata ngapa amketi lokene na diyo karaba mikijinga na Ramat na karaba na kordo kinga sapo kordo sia na kewo yopa ko tenobo.
The people who show up would be the elders, the women, but you never saw young people who have any interest in restoration activities. So one thing that we all love is football.
Kore apa naapo yiolo ntoki nayieu ninche naa ajo netunza mazingira wo aramatisho. Naa kore nkoitoi nikiyieu yiok kincho ntae metii nemincho irkeek nolo natim nipanda irkeek. Kore payie kitodoli ajo easita orkasi supat tembata irkeek inatoki nikincho taata nobo yiok mbarnoponu aiguran mpira.
The daily work is wildlife monitoring. In the north, there hasn't been a lot of information in terms of wildlife distribution. So this is one of the things we are trying to do. The tools are just tools. So the herders and their clear understanding of their landscape, they are the ones who make this work possible. Over 100 plus community members showing up on a voluntary basis. That for us shows the power of basing all our programs on community agency and community ownership. So people take action because they believe it's the right thing to do.